According to Teslarati, U.S. lawmakers are urging Mexico's newly elected president, Claudia Sheinbaum, to address national security concerns over Chinese-made connected vehicles produced in Mexico. A group of 20 Democratic members of Congress, led by Michigan Representative Elissa Slotkin and Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown, sent a letter asking Sheinbaum to establish a review system for these vehicles. They also requested that a Mexican delegation visit the U.S. by early 2025 to discuss the issue. Lawmakers warn that data collected from these vehicles could be used for surveillance or even remote control, raising serious security concerns. This follows a recent U.S. proposal to ban Chinese and Russian vehicle software, and the 100% tariff on Chinese electric vehicles imposed by the U.S. in May. The European Union is also set to vote on a 35% tariff on Chinese EV imports this week, while Canada has already enacted a similar 100% tariff. BYD, a major Chinese automaker, is planning to build a factory in Mexico, which could create around 10,000 jobs. However, concerns over data security and foreign interference are growing as electric vehicles become more reliant on connected systems like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. You are listening to Yuan News.